Hi guys, John here. So this is the belt which I've just made using that garment iron-on fabric repair material. This grinder is a small one, not grinder, it's a sander, it's a small one, and I don't use it so much now since I bought the Radius Master, but it's still handy for doing small jobs. You'll notice I'm operating it here without the guards. I don't tend to use the guards because I often use the rounded roller at the top. So the tension on the belt is applied with this spring, and it's a pretty reasonable amount of tension. And the join in the belt doesn't look like letting go so far. So here goes nothing. We'll see how it copes with a run. I'll stand back. I must admit that the join in the belt makes a bit of noise as it comes round. But already it's a little bit less than it was, and that's putting a bit of pressure on it. Okay, so far so good. Well, time will tell whether the technique will be successful in the longer term, but certainly in the shorter term, it's great. I've totally run out of belts in this machine, so I haven't been using it lately. And where's the join? There's the join there. And interestingly, it's spread by about 1 millimetre, because when I joined it, it was butted up. But maybe that's just the material that the patch is made of, and it's just a little bit stretchy. All right, well, I'll give this I'll leave this tensioned up for the time being, and I'll have a look at it as time goes on, and we'll see if this is going to be a longer term proposition. So far so good, I'm pretty impressed.